Today we bring you a story of heritage, faith and Indian cultural pride. The Piprava relic of Lord Buddha, unearthed in 1898 by British estate manager William Claxton Pep at a stupa in Piprava, Uttar Pradesh, were taken away during colonial times and remained abroad for over 127 years. This sacred antique bone fragment, gemstone and offerings are not just archaeological find but a revered symbol of Indian spiritual legacy.
125 साल के इंतजार के बाद भारत की विरासत लौटी है, भारत की धरोहर लौटी है।
Now after more than a century, they have returned home. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Grand International Exposition of Sacred Piprava Relic at the Rai Pithor Cultural Complex in New Delhi. Called them not merry artifact but part of Indian revered heritage.
भारतीय जनमानस भगवान बुद्ध के इन पवित्र अवशेषों के दर्शन कर पाएगा।
For India, the relics reaffirm its role as the custodian of Buddhist tradition, connecting the nation not only to its past but also to millions of followers worldwide. Buddhism, born in India, is a bridge of peace and compassion across Asia, from Thailand to Vietnam, Russia to Sri Lanka, where these relics have inspired devotion.
भगवान बुद्ध से जुड़े ये पवित्र रेलिक भारत की विरासत है। शताब्दी भर की प्रतीक्षा के बाद ये धरोहरें
Today,
फिर से
the
भारत
relics are
लौटी।
enshrined in Delhi, showcased in the exhibition The Light and the Lotus, Relic of the Awakened One. This marks a historical moment. India reclaims its spiritual treasure and presenting them to the world.
के लिए भगवान बुद्ध के विचारों से जुड़ने के लिए एक बार यहाँ अवश्य आए।
Prime Minister Modi emphasizes that this is more than a cultural diplomacy. It is India's message of unity, faith and humanity. By bringing back the Piprava relic, India strengthens its identity as the birthplace of Buddha and a beacon of its timeless teaching.
का संरक्षण नहीं है बल्कि उनकी परंपरा का जीवंत वाहक भी।
That's the story of Piprava relic, a journey from colonial loss to national pride, from India to the world and back again. Stay tuned for more news.